Revolutionize your real estate business with Chat GPT, presented by Keller Williams Aruba. Hello, and welcome to our video on the new must-have tool for real estate agents, Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a computer program that can understand and generate human language using advanced AI techniques. You open the program and type anything you want in the text box. For example, write listing description, ocean view, walking distance to the beach, pool, 600 square meter land, solar panels. Here you can see ChatGPT in action writing a property description. You can write keywords to add more detail to a description. You can also ask for an email template. Here's an example of the email template being written. But you can also ask for an Instagram caption. This was an example of how you can use ChatGPT for your real estate business. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see how you use ChatGPT in your real estate business.